Hello and welcome to the HGC Gamers Club. My name is Daniel and we're going to do another couple pages on the backyard swing set build. We left off on page 18. We finished up. We had a little issue with the boards over there. I will show you what I did wrong. We're going to do steps 19 and skip 20 because that's the tarp that goes over the top, and I'm not ready to put that on just yet. And we will do steps 21 today. So today is going to be steps 19 and 21. Okay, so come right over here, dear. Get a shot right down in here. Okay, this was the setup I was supposed to use for the L bracket, and
Papa.
On the plans it looked different. But if you looked really close, it was correct. So what we needed to do was finish tightening this one, the bracket off, and then, oops, watch it.
Ah!
Get yourself a drill bit,
Don't stare at your
5/16
foot.
Point it at me, dear.
Okay.
Get yourself a 5/16 drill bit, and then drill your holes on both sides, which I already did, just to speed up the video a little bit. And get back your T40 Torx bit into your driver.
Ta-da!
And we'll get these taken care of right now.
I love the smell of fresh cedar wood.
Yeah.
It's not working.
And I need the 5/16 hole is just not quite
It's big.
covering it, so I need to kind of bore it out a little bit. Let me get this in here. There, that should do it. Now let's try this. Much better. Done.
Ta-da!
And tighten up the angle on this side.
I have a problem here, though.
What?
See this thing
I still need
sticking
to
out.
tighten up that bolt.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, I'll get to that in a second. If the hole's too tight for your bit to go in, just stick the drill bit in and then tilt it side to side. That will enlarge the hole so that you can get it in there. Oops, that one's still tight. Let's see if I can get it. Nope, not quite yet. I'm gonna make that hole just a little bit bigger. Now, my wife pointed out that I never tightened this bolt up here.
Yep.
This was one we also had an issue with a while back. This was one with the T-nut as well with the teeth. And now it is solid. Alright, so
Solid as a rock.
next step is going to be the the little bars for the little prisoners.
Little jungle gym.
Alright. Let me see. I need to switch out to the Phillips head bit and get some screws here. Now, they say to space them about 2.5 inches apart, but you can eyeball it. Just put one in the middle and then work your way out, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to eyeball the center and we'll see how straight I get it.
Or you can use a leveler. Ooh.
That didn't
Ooh.
stick. Hold on.
So they don't put holes in for that?
Huh?
They don't put holes in that
In this
for
part?
that? Yeah.
No, no.
Oh.
Only through this wood so that it don't split.
Because that's the main support, one of them?
Yep.
But what about those skinny strips? What if they split?
Well, then you have to buy a new board.
Well, some of them look kind of split. Or maybe they're just indented. That's what they are.
I could have pulled out a tape measure and made all of these perfect, but
That's good enough.
I think that looks almost exactly right, except for this one's just tilted off just a little bit.
It looks okay.
I can correct just by doing that. Okay.
Can
Next
you-
set.
Yay. It's getting closer to being done. Why does it look more level?
Huh?
Why does this whole thing look more level?
I moved the whole thing this way a little
Oh, that's good. It made it more leveler.
bit. Yep. Okay.
This backyard ground is very unlevel.
Move that over just a little bit.
This is good for safety.
As long as a kid can't stick their head through there, you're good. I need to raise that one up too.
Oh, sorry.
I don't like these two right here. They stripped out. each time I did that. I might have to get a little bit longer screw for them. They don't countersink. They're not in there very good. A little off center, so if I turn this around, I can probably get it to work. Alright, so there's your little prison bars. Alright, that would be page 19 or step 19. We're going to skip 20, which is putting the tarp over the top. We'll do that later on the accessories. So the next one, we got the bar or the wood plate that goes across in front of the ladder down by my feet, which we will get that on right now.
That's probably why Maya slid off of that. Extra support down there.
Okay, let's see. So, I think at this point we'll be skipping over to the swing set portion, which was way back at the beginning, which I guarantee you, if we had built it first, the kids would have been swinging on it and broke it long before we got it built. Got this platform here built. Let's see. Yeah, here it is. They had that in. They had the building of the swing set portion in steps 2 and 3, and that's exactly why I didn't build it, because I guarantee you, before we got this built, kids would have broke this right here at this angle trying to climb on it. So now, when I get back to it next time, we're going to build steps 2 and steps 3. Stay safe, happy gaming, everybody! And don't forget, stop by the htcgamersclub.com and help out the kids with $1 or $2 on a donation. Get them a free repair. Stay safe, happy gaming, everybody. Bye.